What's up, YouTube family? It's the one and only Terry D, the CEO of Too Easy FX Academy. And today I want to talk to you about, is stop loss and take profit good or bad? Well, as you guys can see right here at this current moment, my stop loss was hit. I was down $408. Okay? $408. My account got to, I think it was like 500 or something. And now my account is back to 1148. Okay. I did make a deposit because I made a withdrawal last week. So I made $1,000 deposit. Right. And let's talk about what happened. Okay. As you guys can tell, Euro USD is still shooting up. Okay. Still shooting up. And sorry about that. Somebody was calling me. And let me go to my group. Go to Discord. You know, in all of my videos, I know you guys are wondering, why does he always refer back to his group? The reason why is because this is my proof, and this shows what I'm saying and what I'm doing is true. Anyways, so it was Euro USD buy H4. Take profit, here we go, sorry, Euro USD buy H1. Take profit 1.21350. Stop loss 1.21000. Okay. Small lots take 80%. My take profit was hit. Okay. Let's go back. Take profit was hit. Let's go back to H1. So my take profit was right in this area. The reason why I personally think that stop losses are bad is because the market sees, okay, it is a lot of psychology. The market sees that you set a stop loss. They stop loss. They see where you set your stop loss. And I made this trade before I went to bed, y'all. So this shot down, obviously. My account was at 1,000 at a $2 lot. And it shot down. Hit my stop loss right in this area. You see this wick? This wick is more than likely where my stop loss was hit. Bam! Took me out the trade in my sleep. Woke up, seeing that it rose above and did exactly what I said and hit my take profit. Was I pretty upset? Yeah, I was. I revenge traded a little bit. Not gonna lie to you guys. I shouldn't have, but I did revenge trade a little bit. And that's when I went ahead and got back in for a buy, made $142 there. Obviously, because my account was at 500, I took my lot size to standard. But I believe in my trade. I try not to let the market trick me out and freak me out. So believed in my trade. It's 104. So I made about 14 pips, and then I came back and seen that Euro USD had a drawdown here. It was red, right? Or actually, it was on H4. Okay, so I seen that it had a drawdown here, and for new traders, or it was actually here for new traders, if you would have seen bear, you would have been scared. Like, oh man, I made a bad call. But me being me, I seen the wick at the bottom, so I placed the buy in this area, and then that's when I came back to my group and placed another signal and said Euro USD buy H4, take profit 1.21600. Okay, I know price action pretty well on this currency pair, so I do recommend that you learn your currencies. And as you guys can tell, the price action right now on Euro USD, it's at 1.21658. So a stop loss and take profits, good or bad? To me, stop losses are bad because in a way you're showing that you don't believe and trust into your trade. Now, you don't want to blow your account, okay? I will say that if you are going to lose a stop loss and you do have a smaller account like 2 to 500, yes, use a stop loss because you don't want to blow your little account. But you have 1,000, So let's just say $1,000 in your account. I wouldn't set a stop loss on the trade because the chances of your account being blown on $1,000 is pretty hard. Okay. I mean, on these regular currencies like this, so let's just say that if this would have continued down, sure, I would have been down like, 600 or so, right? And it would have came probably to the support, and I would have been obviously, on edge, freaking out like, man, I should have took my loss, or I should have did this, I should have did that. Well, wrong. Let's say if that would have happened, there's still a chance, just like right now, guys, it's obviously shot up. Every time the market retraces, it goes back up. And every time the market goes up, it comes back down. So there's a chance if you hold your trade that it will go back in your favor and you will make more than you lost. You just got to be patient. Take profits. Yes. Take your take profits. Set a take profit. Setting a take profit is like setting a goal. I set a goal on a take profit typically 8 to 15 pips every time I'm doing the take profit. Okay? 8 to 15. I know 8's a weird number. But on a $2 lot, all I need is, what is it? I'm thinking about doing my math a little wrong. All I need is about, 5 to 8 pips to hit about $100 for the day, right? And sometimes it'll blow past our take profit, which will spike up and it get us right at $200. Because my goal is to make $100 to $200 a day, 3 to 4 days a week. Okay? So, one thing to keep in mind and one thing to remember. When you're setting your take profit, don't set it too high. Like example, let's say if you would have got in here and your take profit set all the way up here. The chances of that happen, it's slim to none. Can it happen? Yes. But that's what you call not being realistic. That's what you call being greedy. Greed is what kills people. The chances of the market shooting up 50 plus pips in one day on a regular currency pair, more than likely is not going to happen. But if you're trading gold or an index like NAS 100, SPX 500, guys, 50 to 100 pips is nothing on those kind of currencies. But on those kind of currencies, you can't trade with lot sizes like this on a $1,000 account. It's just impossible. And if it does happen, you get lucky. So the stop loss is good or bad. It's bad if you have a $1,000 account and you did all your analysis, even though you're in a drawdown. Okay, even though you're in a drawdown, just like I was in a drawdown. More than likely, it's going to go back in your favor. You just got to be patient and wait. If I wouldn't have set a stop loss last night, I wouldn't have had this $400 loss. My account actually would be about $1,600 instead of $1,100. Believe and trust into your trades. Take profits. Really good. Like I said, I know 8's a weird number, so you can round it up to 10 to 15 pips. Don't be greedy. Okay, let the market work itself out. Let it play us out. Now, if it's just a bad call, it's just a bad call. You gotta be honest with yourself. But to me personally, guys, stop losses with a $1,000 account, I wouldn't do it because your account can hold the drawdown, especially if your leverage is 1 to 1,000. Your account can hold the drawdown. Okay. And once that drawdown is over, it's going to hit your take profit, just like it did this morning. Okay? Anyways, that's all I got for you. I don't make this video too long, look like I did already. It went over 9 minutes. But there will be more videos like this on the YouTube channel. Thank you for those that have subscribed to my channel. Keep liking. Once I hit probably the 200 mark, I'm going to start doing the cash giveaways. But anyways, I see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. And like I always say, remember to put God first and everything will work itself out. Peace.